Hello everyone, I'm Chitwandeep Kaur and we shall discuss term sheets today. What is the term sheet? A term sheet is an agreement facilitating a fundraising process whereby two parties mutually agree to abide by the mentioned clauses concerning the investment. One may also refer to it as a bullet point document outlining the material terms and conditions of a potential business agreement, establishing the basis for future negotiations between a seller and a buyer, sometimes investor. It may be either binding or non bounding, but the parties are not bound to obey by the terms. It is usually the first ever documented evidence of a possible acquisition and it is shared at the very onset of a transaction deal. Why term sheet? Term sheets are most often associated with startups. Entrepreneurs find that this document is crucial to attract investors such as VCs with capital to fund enterprises. Clauses such as business information, type of security, valuation, investment amount, liquidation preference, percentage stake, voting rights, etc., are the most important aspects to be covered in a term sheet. Let's discuss term sheet versus LOI. Term sheets are very similar to letters of intent in that they are both very preliminary, mostly non binding, and they only are meant to record two or more parties' intentions to enter into a future agreement based on specified terms. The difference between the two is slight and mostly a matter of style. LOI is written in a letter format and focuses on the intentions, whereas the term sheet skips all the formalities and lists the deal terms in bullet point or under other similar format. There's an implication that LOI only refers to the final form. However, term sheet is a proposal and not an agreed to document. Therefore, we can say that a term sheet is akin to the letter of format. Once signed, it opens up a process of negotiation between the founding team and the VC that will result in a legal documentation detailing their investment. But given that the final investment agreements typically follow the roadmap laid down by the term sheet, it is essential that you understand its provisions and implications and develop a negotiating strategy. Once the term sheet has been executed, it guides the legal counsel in the preparation of a definitive agreement and then it guides the final terms of the agreement. Moving into a term sheet investment contract essentially ensures no misunderstanding exists in the future between the parties involved. That's all about it today. Thank you very much.